People call redwoods that because of their bark and heartwood, which have a reddish-brown color because they have a lot of tannin. It's because of other chemicals in the leaves, branches and bark that these trees have a great deal of resistance to fungal and insect diseases. They have thick bark that stores a lot of water, which protects them from fire that happen from time to time. Conifers have been around for more than 144 million years. All three redwoods, the Coast Redwood, giant Sequoias and Dawn Redwoods, are all descendants of this group of trees. A lot of redwood species grew all over the world at the time because the earth was warmer and wetter than it is now. Over time, they moved away from most of their old territory because of changes in the environment. Many redwood species that were once common become extinct. The last ice age, which ended about 10,000 years ago, has kept the remaining redwood species in three small, separate areas, each of which supports one of the species. This means that there is only one place in the world where you can find native populations of the species you want to see.